Okay, now is chapter 9. We'll talk a little bit about data analytics and intelligent decision making. So for this chapter is about data analytics and intelligent making. So I believe if you are doing earlier chapters on data analytics, it talks a little bit about how we can look at data. And then for this chapter, you will understand some industrial transformation roadmap. You appreciate what the scope cover under the integrated planning design and advanced manufacturing. Then you also do some green Singapore Green Building Master Plan and understand how it's been integrated. So some keywords are like industrial transformation, integrated planning, advanced manufacturing assemblies, Singapore Green Building and Master Plan. So build industrial transformation map, basically it is something that BCA or the government is actually pushing. So there's integrated planning, there's advanced manufacturing, and also sustainability mobile systems. So with that, what I want to share is basically some integrated digital delivery, which is also called IDD. So integrated digital delivery uses digital technology to integrate stakeholders from the same buildings throughout the project. It covers design, fabrication, construction, access delivery. So these are kind of the IDD, integrated digital. So what we use is we have a digital deliverable, BIM model drawing, and sometimes CDE. In use CDE is common data environment. And then digital also uses some digital handover that you write into the manufacturing specification, warranties, and OMM. So with that, 3D assets, which assets information is as build record, manufacturer specification and warranties and OMM, right, which is kind of part of it. And CDE uses BIM model and FM solutions. So CDE also uses some assets performance, FM performance, work order tracking, management of work against the maintenance record. So for BIM structure, it also uses the CDE, and then it represents some physical form of the functional characteristics of the function. So this is kind of how BIM model can actually look at. And then, so there's a couple of things in BIM model. There's 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D. So 4D is 3D plus time, 5D is 3D plus time and cost, and 6D is basically 3D plus the FM data. Right, preventive maintenance. We talked a little bit about maintenance in chapter 5. So this is what we want to do a little bit of a BIM. They can use BIM and CMM to further enhance the maintenance. Energy efficiency is to use BIM to compare some predict performance of the building, right? Yeah, so there's some BIM in FM. You can click here to watch the video. So yeah, let's skip this first. Yeah, so this is one of the video about integrated BMS solution. Yeah, BIM, FM facility management. You can take a look at this. Yeah. Okay. Overall, you share a little bit about how facility management and intelligent solution can be done. Yeah. I'll pause here for a while. You'll watch this. Let me go back to the lecture. So these are some of the FM solution in counterpart in Moscow. You can also take a look at that. BMM for FM application, some Birmingham City University. Okay, so then we come to the tutorials and the questions that what are the integrated delivery fundamentals, 4 phases of IDD, etc. So those are some of the questions that will come up. Yeah, so basically this is the chapter, quite easy chapter in terms of data analytics and intelligent decision making.